Okay, be quiet. Cameron, look out.
Hey.
She's not sure what to think. Misty. Oh, Cameron, don't run. That scares the bird. I should be on the other side, maybe. Get a little more light, maybe. Just stay over there, because you're putting too much shadow.
Me?
Yeah, you. Stay behind me. Go behind me.
What?
Go behind me.
Over here?
Yeah, you can still see.
No.
Misty's just checking it out.